Okay, good morning students. One more problem. See, given that one root of 2x cube plus 3x square 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 minus 8x plus 3 is double the other root. Find them. See, let me read the problem once again. 2x cube, 3x square, 8x minus plus 3 equals 0. Okay. See, this is the problem given to you. See, what is given? Given equation is 2x cube plus 3x square minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. See here, this is third degree equation. It has 3 roots. Okay. Here the coefficient of x cube equal to 2. So you make it to 1. Implies you can write it as x cube plus 3 by 2x square minus 4x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. It means we have divided both sides by 2. X cube 3 by 2x square minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. See, one root of this equation means the equation 1 is double the other. Actually, alpha, beta, gamma are 3 roots of this third degree equation. Here a condition is given, one root of this equal to double the other. So, let the roots are alpha, 2 alpha and gamma. Let the roots are alpha, 2 alpha, gamma. Then we know S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus P1. That is general formula. Here S1 equal to alpha. Our beta is 2 alpha. 2 alpha and gamma equal to minus P1. It means minus 3 by 2. Implies 2 alpha, 3 alpha, 3 alpha plus gamma equal to minus 3 by 2. Or you can write gamma equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. Minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. You keep it aside. Now, you take another one. We have S1, S2, S3, S1, S2, S3. Now, you take S1, okay, S2. What is S2? 2 roots at a time. Alpha, beta. Actually, alpha, beta, gamma, 2. Alpha, beta plus beta, gamma plus gamma, alpha. Alpha, beta, beta, gamma, alpha. What is its value? Its value equal to plus P2. It means minus 4. It is equal to minus 4. Now, you substitute the value of alpha, beta, gamma. It means, what is alpha? Alpha is alpha. Beta equal to 2 alpha we have. And beta we have 2 alpha, beta, 2 alpha. Okay. Because alpha is alpha, beta is 2 alpha. Next beta. Beta means 2 alpha. And here see alpha, beta, beta. Beta is 2 alpha and next is gamma. Gamma means you write that is directly minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. Plus again gamma minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha into alpha equal to minus 4. See, let me check once again. Alpha equal to alpha, beta equal to alpha. Beta equal to alpha and gamma equal minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. And our gamma is minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha and alpha is alpha. Oh, everything is okay. Now, see here, implies 2 alpha square. Now, 2 alpha into this one, 2 will be cancelled here. This is minus 3 alpha. 2 cancel minus 3 alpha. Next, this one minus 6 alpha square. Here, minus 3 by 2 alpha, minus 3 by 2 alpha, minus 3 alpha square equal to minus 4. Now, see here, you take LCM 2 or multiply both sides by 2. What happened? 4 alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 6 alpha square minus 3 alpha minus 6 alpha square equal to minus 8. Just I multiplied both sides by 2. Okay. Now, minus 4 minus 6 minus. See, 4 alpha square minus 12 alpha square. Okay. 4 alpha square, 6 alpha. See here, sorry, here again minus 12. 4 alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 12 alpha square minus 3 alpha. Okay. 4 alpha square minus 12 alpha square. This is minus 6 alpha square. I have written all the alpha square terms aside. And remaining minus 6 alpha minus 3 alpha and this is plus 8 equal to 0. Now see here, 4 alpha square minus 12. Okay. Here, what happened here? Minus 8 alpha square minus 6 alpha square minus 9 alpha plus 8 equal to 0. Again, minus 14 alpha square minus 6 alpha plus 8 equal to 0. Or multiply both sides by minus 14 alpha square plus 9 alpha minus 8 equal to 0. This is the second degree quadratic equation. Now we have to find the roots. It means 14 into minus 8. I think minus 12. So 3 is 32 minus 12. See, we have to find the factors of 112. See, you have 76 or see here, we have to find the roots. What is the 112 roots? 112 roots. 16 7 I observe. Yes, 16 7 equal to 112. You can write 14 alpha square plus 16 alpha, and we have to write like this: minus 7 alpha minus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to take factor common. Or you can write 14 alpha square minus 7 alpha plus 16 alpha minus 8 equal to 0. For convenience I have written 7 alpha common, 2 alpha minus 1, 14 alpha square. Here you take 8 common. 8 common is 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 0. 16 alpha minus 8 equal to 0, or 2 alpha minus 1 into 7 alpha plus 8 equal to 0, or alpha 2 alpha minus 1 equal to 0 implies alpha equal to 1 by 2, or 7 alpha plus 8 equal to 0 implies alpha equal to minus 8 by 7. This does not exist. Now our alpha equal to minus 8, alpha equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is our alpha. Now, what are the roots? The roots are alpha, 2 alpha and gamma. See, alpha equal to 1 by 2. Second root, 2 alpha means 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1. We have two roots. Finally, next we have to find the gamma. Gamma equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha, or 3 by 2 minus 2 into 1, or 3 by 2 minus 2, or 3 minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. See, what are the roots? The roots are 1 by 2 alpha, second one 1 by 2, and the third one equal to minus 1 by 2. See, what are the answers here? 1 by 2, 1. Again, see, once you check, 7 alpha does not take alpha equal to 1 by 2, 2 alpha means 1. And what is our gamma? Gamma equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. 3 by 2 minus alpha equal to 1 by 2 here, sorry, 1 by 2. Gamma equal to 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. 3 by 2 minus 3 into alpha equal to 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 2 alpha. 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. Again, we have a policy. What is the alpha value? Alpha equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2. What is our beta? Beta equal to 1. Here see, alpha equal to 1 by 2 and so on. See. What is beta? Beta equal to 2 alpha. 2 alpha, it means 2 into 1 by 2 or beta equal to 1. Beta equal to 1. Because beta is the 2 alpha. Okay. Now gamma equal to minus 3 by 2. Sorry, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. Or minus 3 by 2 into 3 into alpha 1 by 2. Or minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 6 by 2. It is minus 3. So our roots are alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha equal to, we have 1 by 2, beta we have 1 and gamma minus 3. So alpha 1 by 2, beta 1 minus 3 roots. See, this is the solution for this equation. You see here, one root is double the other, means if one is alpha, second one is 2 alpha, third one is gamma. See, gamma relation is minus 3 by 2 minus 3 alpha. You substitute alpha value in this equation, we get gamma. See, this is the solution. Thank you.